These are the best shrimp I've ever grilled. Spicy, big flavor, 10 minutes of work. One marinade, a handful of pantry ingredients. These shrimp disappear off the plate the second you serve them. This is my spicy shrimp marinade. Let me show you how to make it. First, we have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. We have 1 tablespoon of honey, and I have a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm actually using a bit more garlic. I love garlic. Minced. And I have 1 tablespoon of fresh minced parsley. And I have a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And you can use sweet paprika if you want to, or spicy paprika. And I have about a teaspoon of lime zest. Freshly zested lime. Nice citrus pop. And I have about a 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flake, and you can add more if you'd like. And we have salt and pepper to taste. And an optional ingredient here is hot sauce. I have about a teaspoon or so of a nice spicy hot sauce. And really that's to personal taste. And whisk it all together, my friends. Super easy marinade. Marinades are so easy to make and huge flavor builders. So the first thing I want to do is reserve, and you don't have to do this, but I'm going to reserve a tablespoon or 2 of my marinade, and I'm going to use this as a finishing sauce. You can use it as sort of a glaze at the end if you want to. Totally optional. All right, when you're ready to marinate, just go ahead and get your peeled shrimp ready, and go ahead and spoon your spicy shrimp marinade over the shrimp, and go ahead and mix it together. You want to get your shrimp nice and coated as much as possible. I like to marinate my shrimp for a good hour to get more flavor penetration, but if you're in a hurry, you could marinate for 15 to 20 minutes and you'll get some good flavor. So let's talk about ratios and heat factor. As with any type of recipe, if you want more flavor of, for example, garlic, I like to add more garlic to mine, so really add as much of that as you'd like to. If you want a little bit more olive oil, you can make it, a thinner marinade. So it's really to your personal taste. A bit more salt if you want to. For the heat factor, so I'm using hot sauce and spicy chili flake. You can totally add even more hot sauce if you want to, or a more fiery hot sauce like habanero hot sauce or ghost pepper hot sauce. Really as crazy as you want to get. But you can also dial it back as much as you want to as well by skipping the hot sauce and maybe just using just a pinch of chili flake, and you'll still get a nice little heat factor for your spicy shrimp. So this recipe works for any way that you want to cook the shrimp. You can pan sear your shrimp if you want to. You could bake it. But today I'm going to go ahead and grill my shrimp for a nice spicy grilled shrimp. So let me pop these onto skewers and then fire up the grill. Look at this beautiful spicy marinated shrimp fresh off the grill. It looks outstanding, smells delicious. So what I like to do is, the reason I reserved some of the spicy shrimp marinade is at the very end here when you're going to serve it, just go ahead and you can brush some on or kind of lightly baste it to finish up your shrimp. Adds a little extra bonus of flavor at the end here. Love it. You can enjoy this as it is. Best shrimp ever. Or if you'd like, you can, I have a really fantastic recipe for a shrimp po' boy. If you use this marinated grilled shrimp to make a shrimp po' boy, I'll cue that right up for you guys, and just absolutely delicious. Spicy shrimp marinade, my friends. I'd really love to hear what you think in the comments below. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Definitely hope to see you at chilipeppermadness.com. All right, have a good day. Bye.